Hello guys, welcome back with a new drawing. You can see the drawing on the display. You can see the drawing, the isometric drawing. Its length is 100, width is 50, thickness is 10. So let's start it. First off, choose plane. Okay, and you can see the length 100, the width 50, and thickness inside the slot and the hollow section. So start with the line. Select the line with a length of 100 mm. The thickness is 10. You can see. First of all, we make a the rectangle 10 by 100 and use a trim to unwanted line. Now you can see the circle. So choose the line and select the midpoint and the height of 25. You can see the drawing, and the upper diameter is 50 and inner diameter is 20. After that, choose the line, select origin point and draw the line of the horizontal both side, and use the trim and trim the unwanted line. Again, choose the line and drag down the line from the bottom both side to make you can see the how to. It's sometimes very difficult to pick point, so you can zoom and click the point. After that, trim the unwanted line. You can see. Yeah, both side. Okay. After that, you can see the front view is ready, same as the drawing. Now it's time to extrude. So you select the extrude command and you can see the extrude command is ready. So as per drawing, the width is 50 mm. So we type the 50 and choose the OK. You can see our drawing is ready. You can see the drawing on the top side there's some slot like 15 by 10. So first of choose the upper plane and select the line, the midpoint, and draw the line on the top view. You can see the total has the 100 mm and the circle diameter is 40. So 100 minus 40 is 60. So both side 30 is distance. So the midpoint is 30 or the one side of face, and you can see the rectangle and select the midpoint of the line. The width is 10 and length is 15. as per drawing. You can see an angle is 90 and press the OK. And after, trim the unwanted line to both sides. After create the rectangle, you can see on the drawing the slot is both side on the top surface. So first of all, we select the line on the middle and choose the mirror command and select the rectangle and select the middle line. Then you can see the mirror command task is done. After that, we choose the extrude and use the subtract command, and you can see our drawing is ready as per drawing. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video.